We're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our team works hard to make everyone happy, so these positive reviews are very motivating. And now we're thrilled to share this one with you. This is exactly why we try so hard to satisfy everyone we meet. When we receive glowing reviews like this one, it helps us know we're fulfilling our commitment to provide a first-class experience. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to everyone we serve, and in return, we receive incredible loyalty. Experience our service and you'll be amazed. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Contact us today and let us give you the same amazing service.